When is the last time you smoked a pipe? On a pipe. Hooey! Now to get down this bitch. Let's get down this sumbitch. All right, well, time to go down via the Barr Trail, and this will be a workout for our quads in itself. There are many chipmunks here. I don't know if they're chipmunks or something else that are like chipmunks, but there are many. One crawled up my leg. Shit you not. Oh, the walk down this trail is very nice. Classic trail with some switchbacks. Might let these people behind us pass us so we can just kind of, or unless we want to haul ass right now, Nicole. And what's great too is today is a clear day. There's not too much smoke from the nearby wildfires, so we got really lucky today. And a special moment for me just happened as I realized this is my first fall mountain hike. How precious. Big moment for me, for my life. When you're on these trails, a lot of the times you're just looking down the entire time, you know, so you know where you're stepping and not rolling your fucking ankle. But when you're not doing that and you happen to look up, I'm just like, boom, damn, I see changing leaf colors. I'm like, wow, it's fall. And thought about how it's already September 28th. September 28th, shout out to my brother Kyle. Happy birthday, Kyle.
Happy birthday, whoop whoop.
Well, I must say I'm really enjoying this hike down. It's a nice reward for the hard workout that it was getting up the incline. This hike down is very chill. It's a nice gradual downhill. And there's a lot of variation of scenery. I don't know what type of biome you consider the Colorado Springs area. Is it a deserty mountain or is it a mountainous desert? I don't know. It's probably just the mountains. There was two people that just passed us and they're hauling ass down this hill. That looks like a workout and a half. It looks awesome. Maybe one day when my calves are fully recovered, I can try that one day, because that looks like a lot of fun and a lot of cardio. Watch out. Got a runner, babe. Yeah, about halfway, 3/4 of the way up the incline, I could really feel it in my ears. I could feel my tinnitus, you know, that really annoying thing that affects so many people in our world, yet not a lot of people know about it. I'm sure there's a lot of other people out there who can relate. You're just trying to get some cardio done and then your tinnitus gets noticeably more loud. For me though, I can feel it, which sucks because then you become more conscious of it. So nice distraction. Oh man, we got another runner. Nice, man. You're beast mode.
Let me hit that, dude.
Beast mode. Man, that guy was a beast. So there was like this little side thing, this little side path you can come down with wooden steps to get a nice view from this boulder and this tree. And it turns out that some piece of shit left their big old water bottle here. So we'll be the adults and clean it up after them. Still water in there. Would you look at that? Yeah, look at that. It's probably that type of person that takes one sip out of a water bottle and then just leaves it there. Probably that same type of fucking person. So as I was pouring this water bottle out, I slipped and almost broke my ankle because my leg almost got caught in between this wooden post. And yeah, so that's how easy it could happen. Just like that. Don't get complacent on the trail. It can happen that fucking fast. I really like it when the trail goes by huge boulders like this. Wow, now that is some serious training. That's training to a whole new level, running up a mountain. I'm impressed. I'm just impressed. Oh man. Well, the views are amazing. All the way down. I think I might be feeling the beginning of blisters on my big toes because these socks that I have on, they are synthetic and lightweight and very thin, even though they keep my feet nice and cool, which I like because my feet get hot. The downside to wearing these is there's not much cushioning between the skin of my toe and the surface of the shoe. So hoping for the best.
Guess who hasn't had blisters?
Whatever, brag about it. Rub it in.
I haven't had a blister this whole trip.
Rub it in, why don't you? Get it? Rub it in.
Ah.
All right, we are right here at the trailhead of the parking lot. Looks like we're coming right out on the parking lot. Oh, wow.
What? We did the thing.
We did the thing. Oh.
We did the thing.
And this is the beginning of the Barr Trail, which I believe goes up to Pikes Peak to the top. That's the beginning of that, which is pretty awesome to think about. We came down part of the Barr Trail. Saw someone go down that trail.
Oh wait.
Wow.
Shit away.
Oh yeah, the garbage. So we can throw people's shit away. So even though we made it to the end of the beginning of the Barr Trail, to complete the full loop, we found another path going down that we think is going to take us out to right where we first started, the very first step. Oh yeah, here we go. Perfect. Whoo!
Oh, it was great.
Our first time and it was great.
Yeah.
Oh man. Thank you. There you have it. Manitou Incline. Thanks for watching.